Did you know in ancient Egypt, cats weren't just furry friends? They were VIPs, very important pets. Egyptians believed they had magical powers and were protected by the goddess Bastet, who had the head of a cat. Harming a cat, even accidentally, was a big no-no and could land you in serious trouble, maybe even the death penalty. That's how much they adored their feline friends. Archaeologists have found lots of cat mummies and fancy burial sites, showing just how much Egyptians loved their mewing companions. Follow for more.